If you're looking to kickstart your career, our award-winning apprenticeship and graduate schemes are now going ahead. An apprentice and a graduate role is a fantastic opportunity to gain job-related skills and a recognised qualification in a field of work you're interested in, all whilst earning when you learn. Our recruitment's going to look a little bit different this year, as the council is still prioritising its ongoing COVID operations. So we're going to recruit over 3 separate phases for the remainder of the calendar year. The first phase is live now. We've currently got 14 apprenticeships being advertised. These include accountancy, building surveying, civil engineering, ICT, electrical engineering, parks, mechanics and street lighting. You can access these vacancies on our council website www.rctcbc.gov.uk. You can also find them on Indeed, Wicked, Careers Wales, and we'll be sharing links on all of our social media platforms. These apprenticeships are live until the 19th of June. They all require an academic enrolment, which means they'll start learning with colleges and working with RCT Council in September 2020. They'll all also ask for a GCSE entry requirement, so if you were due to sit your GCSEs this summer but you haven't been able to, please don't worry, because we'll be accepting your agreed predicted grades. The second phase of our recruitment will involve all 15 of our graduate posts. These will be live on the 3rd of July for 6 weeks, closing on the 14th of August. Our graduates will enrol with ALS training and start work with RCT Council in October 2020. The final phase of our recruitment involves our remaining 20 apprenticeships. These will go live on the 5th of October and close on the 6th of November. As these apprenticeships are all learn on the job style roles, they won't start work with RCT Council until January 2021. If you want any more information on any of our posts or help to apply, please contact us at eett@rctcbc.gov.uk. We look forward to receiving your application.